Okay, in part A, we have a rectangular yard. So something like this, and it's 8 by 6. So the area here would be 8 times 6. 8 times 6, so 48 meters squared. And they want to know what happens if these measurements are doubled. So the area would then be 8 times by 2 times by 6 times by 2. So now it becomes 16 times 12. And that's 192 meters squared. We can see that 192 is actually 4 times bigger than 48. So if we double both of these sides, we quadruple the area. So let's see what happens to the area of any rectangle when the dimensions are doubled. So let's say we have a rectangle with lengths A and B. If both of these are doubled, it would be 2A times 2B. So that means we have 2 times 2 here, so 4AB. And so comparing that to if it's not doubled, so just A times B, which is, I'm just going to write this as AB, we can see that it's quadrupled again. So we can see that if the dimensions are doubled, then the area is quadrupled.